Let me guess, when you saw the word Somaliland, you immediately thought pirates, bombings, and civil war.
Which may be true for some parts of Somalia, but not here in Somaliland, the northernmost region that has been self-governing and seeking independence since 1991, the year I was born.
Somaliland is a peaceful country.
Somaliland is home to the most genuine people, ancient history, tasty dishes,
Coffee shop in Hargeysa,
and world-class beaches. Despite technically being part of Somalia by the UN standards, Somaliland strikes a lopsided contrast with its neighbor as a place of relative peace and democratic stability. There's just something about these off-the-beaten-path countries that fascinate me.
Nin American.
Like North Korea, Antarctica, and Uzbekistan. They draw me in.
I'm standing in the main square.
Maybe it's the thrill of the unknown, or maybe the fact that I'm completely on my own in a land that only a few outsiders can recognize. Because as far as I'm concerned, travelers don't come to Somaliland. They are too scared. They believe what they hear on the news, and they see all the travel warnings.
I'm here in Hargeisa, the capital and biggest city in Somaliland,
with some 1.1 million people. And am I having any safety concerns? Nope.
Strolling through the market here, getting a lot of attention, but it's all good attention.
You can walk the streets at night without worrying. I'm overwhelmed by the amount of smiles and over-the-top hospitality I am receiving. It's honestly amazing.
Good afternoon.
Everyone is coming up to me on the streets, striking conversations.
What's up, bro?
I'm even telling them that I'm Jewish and American, and it makes them love me even more.
True. I'm from the USA.
USA, welcome from Somalia.
Everywhere's peace. Yeah, I'm walking and everybody's very nice.
Everybody, white people, black people here. No problem.
Yeah, I'm very white.
No, you're white. Yeah, I'm black, man. You white, man. You blood. Yeah. Red. My blood's red. Same, man.
It's so cool. You can hear the prayers from about 5 different mosques around me right now. It's been an amazing first day here in Somaliland, and I'm really looking forward to exploring all over the country in the next few days.